That was a very busy day, but as you can tell with background, we've finally arrived at the static caravan. So we've got quite a lot to do over the next few days. There's an entire single bedroom that's stacked nearly to the ceiling with bags and boxes. So that's going to take quite a while to sort out. But at least we're here now. I'll just show you a quick look round at the living room area, and then we'll pop outside and see just how much space we've got for this new caravan container garden. So this is the living room area. You'll have to excuse all the mess. We've got bags and boxes everywhere, but it's a nice spacious little area. Plenty of seating, brand new carpet fitted, and a brand new laminate flooring as well in kitchen area. So it is really nice and comfortable. And if we just spin round, that is this kitchen area. Really nice and compact, and we've got everything in there that we need. We've got a microwave. I've just bought a brand new air fryer, so can't wait to try that out. That's going to be good. We've got a slow cooker, which we can't do without. A full-size cooker. And over that area, we've also got a full-sized fridge freezer. And just across from that kitchen area, we've also got a nice little table and chairs as well. So, perfectly comfortable for us. Let's go and take a look at the outside area now. So, that's the van. A really good size, 2-bedroom, 37 feet by 12 feet. And we've got a little storage area just there. I've already popped a couple of plants on top. Some was lettuce and potatoes that we're going to have to put on quite soon. I managed to get that blueberry bush in, so that were good. We've got his baby T-Rex there. A few other different types of plants, including that red acer. And because it's a bit sunny today, we've brought out his peppers and his tomato plants and just popped them on this table. But towards the back of that van, there's this area. And it has got steps going up to it as well. And I'm going to use that to put containers on, so they're raised off at ground. There's plenty of room in there to get quite a lot of stuff. And we don't use that door anyway, we use the other one at the far end. So that's something that we can definitely do. And then we've got a bit of paved area in front as well to put more plants. A little bit around edge, if that gets any sun, but if it don't, we'll use that for shade loving plants. And then at the back of the van, we've got quite a big paved area as well. So quite a bit of space for us to start off with. We'll just have to see if this gets any sun through the day. That's the main thing. I've got this little coffee table that was indoors, but I don't want it. But because it's got a glass top, I thought about maybe putting trays of ceilings underneath, and then that glass can magnify. On back of the van, there's this big shed as well. That's got an automatic washer in it, which is great, so we don't have to have noise indoors, but we can stand things on top of there as well. And then just round here where gas bottle and electric is, we've got some more space that we can use. And that door on the back is a storage area. It doesn't go into the van, but there's a bit of space in there, and there's a freezer in there as well. But there's still some room left, so we can put all those plant pots and seed trays in. So a bit more room than you'd think once we start building up this caravan container garden area. As you can see, we have got a bit of potential out there to put lots and lots of different size containers. And then we're going to use the money that we had in donations, and we're going to start and buy other things as well to put out there. so we can add more and more plants and hopefully have something going off all the way around that area and that raised step part as well. So this is basically day one in the van. We've got lots and lots of unpacking, lots of work to do just to make it how we want it, and then maybe in a couple of days we'll start concentrating on what we're going to do out there. So thank you to everybody for making donations, and thank you so much to us latest donators. I'll pop your names on screen at the end of this video. The only downside of this move was that I had to actually leave a lot more than I wanted to. There just wasn't room for lots and lots of pots and trays and plants. But as it happened, somebody came round to collect some things, and as it turns out, they're not only subscribers of this channel, which were quite a surprise, but they also run an allotment association in the area we've just moved from. So I basically said to him, whatever you can find, take it for free. Just take anything, which they did, and they got a lot of stuff that they're going to be spreading out amongst the other users of those allotments. So a slight downside to me, we're not being able to bring as much as I wanted, but it's gone to a really good cause, and that is all that matters. So let's see what we can get done over the next week or so. And if you'd like to see how this caravan container garden progresses, then please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you on the next update. You all take care.